Hello. I have decided to film an advent calendar this year. So we are going to have a new exercise every single day to help keep you in tip-top shape as you navigate your way through the Christmas run-up. So we will finish on the 24th and we are going to start by building our foundation. We're going to look at ways that we can strengthen during those times that we're feeling a little bit not so strong with all the demands and the stresses from school finishing in and navigating families and all that kind of thing. We're going to do some release work. We're going to do some stress relief work. We're going to do some re-energizing work. So there's going to be plenty of variety. So join me every single day for the month of December and enjoy our Advent movement adventure.